Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains forward edge oil leak and discusses potential causes that may lead to engine oil escaping from sealed areas or components over time. Engine oil is essential for lubrication and temperature control, and any leakage can affect engine performance if not addressed. Oil system design and sealing methods can vary by model year and engine configuration, so this concern may not apply uniformly to every forward edge. Based on documented automotive service and technical information, an oil leak may indicate deterioration of sealing surfaces, changes in gasket effectiveness, or conditions where oil is no longer contained as designed. Normal aging, extended mileage, operating temperatures, and maintenance history can influence how oil-related components perform. Older generations may experience material wear over time, while newer models could show different tendencies depending on engine layout and service intervals. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve inspecting the engine and surrounding components to determine the source and severity of the oil leak. Proper evaluation helps confirm whether the condition is minor seepage or a situation requiring corrective repair to prevent further engine concerns. In summary, oil leaks on the forward edge can have multiple explanations depending on vehicle age, engine configuration, and usage conditions. Accurate diagnosis is important to maintain proper lubrication and long-term engine reliability. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.